I'm going to show you how to select a date range when creating a project in LinguistLink. We'll start a sample translation project to demonstrate. First, enter the project name. Next, complete the description. I advise that you enter the due date in the description so the schedulers will ensure that the date and time display properly for the supplier. In this case, we'll set the due date as 5/31. Select the date the project will start from the calendar on the left. If you're not sure what date to select, just select today's date. Then select the date and time the project is due from the calendar on the right. For example, you might set the project up to start on May 28th, to be completed on Friday, May 31st. So you would select the start date as the 28th and the 31st as the due date. You would adjust the time in the boxes below the calendars. From there, you will set the project up as normal. For interpretation projects, the process is the same. Again, enter the project name. Please include the date, time, and duration of the appointment in the description. Select the start date and time for the appointment from the calendar on the left. Be sure to enter the time the interpreter should arrive at the appointment. If the appointment is at 12, you may want them to arrive at 11:55. Then select the end date and time. Since this will be on the same day, it is a little tricky. You should enter the end time. For a 1-hour appointment, you would enter 1:00 p.m. Then make sure the proper date is highlighted. Then you will proceed to enter the project as normal. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us from any of the options on your screen. Thanks again for using LinguistLink. Have a great one.